Welcome back to another installation video, and in today's video we have this 2022 Hyundai IONIQ 5 and we're going to do the taillight tints installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before the installation and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint film has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that might hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before starting the installation, what we're going to do is prep the taillights. So we're going to clean each panel that we're going to be working on. So we're just going to use our slip solution and make sure we remove any contaminants that the taillights might have. So once we finish prepping the taillights, now we're going to start off with installing the tint. So we're going to start off with this middle panel first. So with this one, to start off, we're just applying slip solution, and we're going to apply a good amount of slip solution, that way we're able to move the film around and align it to each specific letter, and then also apply slip solution on the film. And with this installation, you want to start off by aligning to each letter here. So make sure everything is aligned before starting off anything. And the reason we need to apply a lot of slip solution is because once you stick the film to the taillight, it starts getting dry. So we want to make sure we have a lot of movement. So just spray slip solution in order to keep aligning the film. Now that we have aligned the middle section here, we're going to start removing all of the solution that's behind the film. So just squeegee side to side first. And then once you squeegee side to side, bring the solution down. So it's just side to side in between each letter. Okay, and now that we secured the position here, now we can start moving on with installing the rest. So we're going to start off here. So this one is just removing the film and making sure we align it to the bottom and to this edge here. So make sure it's aligned on the bottom and it reaches to the edge here. Once we have it in position, apply tack solution and squeegee the film so we could tack it down. And now the same steps that we did for this one, we will do it to that end. So the last thing to do is to apply tack solution on the top piece of the film that we need to finish off tacking down. And after we apply tack solution, apply heat so we can seal all around the edges. Okay, so to start off this installation, it's just applying slip solution on both the lens and the tint, and after that is aligning it to this edge right here. Okay, now that we have it in this position, we're just going to apply tack solution so we can start tacking down the film. Now the last step will be just applying tack solution on the top side of the film and then applying heat. That way we seal the top edge. So once you finish applying the whole tint, the last thing to do is post heating all around the edges. That way we secure the film. So to post heat, just spray tack solution all around, and then with heat and a microfiber towel, just start securing all of the edges, and that would help the adhesive on the film cure faster. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the taillight tints for the 2022 Hyundai IONIQ 5. If you guys do have any questions in regards to installation, feel free to message us and we'll be happy to help you guys out. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to give a video a like, make sure you're subscribed and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you for watching and we'll see you on the next one.